Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
To begin our DirectX troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the DirectX Update 25, a legacy DirectX helper library. It manages unmanaged texture manipulation, manifests for games utilizing the February 2007 DirectX data link.
Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error.
DirectX is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources.
A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the DirectX component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off.
With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the initial fix didn't work, we must manually deploy the legacy DirectX components to your PC, and you should run the official DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010 setup. This process will scan your system for missing multimedia files and ensure that your DLL file is correctly installed alongside your other graphics libraries. Why are we doing this? Well, a manual runtime restoration is the only way to bypass driver-level blocks and ensure that every legacy dependency is present and functional. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files.
Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for DirectX DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software.
For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine.
If registry clutter or DirectX inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including DirectX dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.